I'm Annie.
And I'm Kathy.
And we're the Thrive Life Sisters. Ruvi is one of our newest products that is super delicious and good for you. And today we're going to be making a smoothie bowl, a yogurt smoothie bowl.
Yeah.
Is that what it's called?
A Ruvi bowl.
A Ruvi bowl. Okay.
You normally take this and shake it with water, but we're gonna add it into our Greek yogurt. So we have our Greek yogurt right there. You could sweeten it however you like. We don't add the sweetness, but you can if you want.
Because it's already full of, the flavor is there because they've created a combination of fruit and vegetables that create a really good flavor. So you really don't need to add anything to it. It's quite good like that.
But some people who have a sweet tooth, which I can admit I do, sometimes you can add honey if you want, or sugar, or stevia, whatever you want. So it mixes in really well. Now what we're gonna do is make it look pretty.
Are you gonna put the chia seeds?
Nope, we top it with the chia seeds, makes it look nice. And then you can mix it in after, but. And it will thicken it up a little bit, so even if you don't use a Greek yogurt, you use a plain yogurt, it will thicken with the fruit and veggies in the.
Oh, that looks good.
It is?
It smells good, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
It smells really good.
Well, I'll just keep eating this while you do the rest.
Okay, oh, I needed another spoon.
I thought you had your spatula.
I need the spatula
Oh,
for my
sorry.
other. Okay,
Well,
oh, look, it magically appeared. Okay, so we're gonna actually spice this up a bit while she.
See, we'll put the cheese on the side just to top it, and then you mix it in before you eat it.
There, you can have it too.
Thanks.
Okay. So instead of a whipped cream, we're doing more yogurt. And it's gonna be plain yogurt, just to make it look real nice. Sorry, I like to make things look pretty.
I would have just blobbed it in the middle.
All right, and so we'll do chia seeds.
Okay, you do. I was excited to do the chia
Okay,
seeds.
do the chia seeds. You go.
Or I'll do a line on the side.
Okay. All right.
There.
Okay. All right, and then we're going to decorate it with some of our freeze-dried berries.
Can I do some?
Okay. Of
I'm
course.
just kidding. I'll wait for you.
Okay, we'll do blueberries after that. Right down that row.
Okay.
And blackberries.
Oh, I overlook. Oh.
See, that's why I do the decorating. She doesn't.
What if we do like a section? I'm gonna do off different to what you want.
Oh my gosh. She's messing it up.
No, that looks cute. It's different.
I was just kidding.
I know.
You can do whatever you want.
You did blackberries.
We need to do cranberries, and we'll do that little corner with
Oh, that'd be so cute.
Okay, just a few little cranberries there. And we'll just
Berries are so good for you. And I like that we have them all season.
It is nice.
So here is our Ruvi berry bowl.
It's our yogurt bowl. It's
Whatever you want to call it.
But that is so good for you. And look at all the antioxidants that are in there. All that bright, deep color. That is good for you. So
Hope you give this a try. And you can try it with any of our Ruvi colors. We've got the green, which is clean. There's the orange, which is boost. And there's the red, which is active. And this one was the focus, which is good for your brain. It's all the berries. So we thought we'd touch on the berries today, and I hope you give this a try. Make sure you subscribe and ring the notification bell so that you can be posted every time we do a video.
and give us a thumbs up. And we'll see you
Remember,
next time.
You can do this too.
Then